The loft, you need 2 or more profile sketches for creating a solid. So I have created these 2 sketches. So these 2 sketches are more like similar, only the size is a little bit different, but number of edges, they're all same, but they don't have to, okay? So these are kind of a more like simpler case of loft, but the number of edges, the shape could become quite different, okay? Obviously, the shape is like radically different. In some cases, it may error. It may not work, but in a reasonable region changes, you can make it work. So these 2 sketches are blended, okay, and create a sketch. So here, if I go to features, I'll make it large. There is a lofted boss base. So these features are the features that create the first solid body. Okay, so we've been doing extrude boss, we've been doing revolve and sweep, and this is kind of a 4th one. I'm not going to do this one. This is more advanced one. So loft base is the 4th one that you can create the first body. So everything else is like grayed out because these features need existing body. Okay, so they are gray. They are not available. There's no body right now. So this feature can create the first body. So we have already prepared for 2 sketches. Again, this can be an existing surface of existing body. Okay, so in that case, it's not going to be a base loft, but you can add a loft to existing body. Anyway, you select this one and try to select like similar location. And even then, it won't show the preview because as you can see here, there are like 2 green dots and the line between them. That means this shows the correspondences. So this point will be initially try to connect it to this point and going around. Okay, so it's kind of twisted, right? That's why it is not successfully made it. So maybe try to map this line with this big arc and then this line with this big arc. That's why it kind of doesn't work, doesn't show the preview. So what you need to do is you kind of grab this ball, the green circle, and then move it to corresponding point. So now that point should match and everything else should match. So it kind of gives you this preview, okay? And then it works, okay? And by default, it does this linear blending. Okay, so this line is kind of more like a linear, the side lateral surface.